The original Equalizer hitch's integrated 4-point sway control combines the performance of continuous resistance and weight distribution to create an exceptional trailer hitch that is different from anything else on the road. Poor setups can bounce, sway, and make it seem like the trailer has a mind of its own. The Equalizer hitch helps smooth out the bounce and works hard to stop sway. That helps you to relax and helps make the trip more enjoyable.
Hello, my name is Matt Otterbein. I'm with General RV Center. Today we're going to go over having the proper hitch equipment to hook your RV to your tow vehicle so you have a nice safe journey to your final destination so you can enjoy your camping trip. Today we're going to go over the 4-point Equalizer system made by Equalizer that is actually a weight distribution system and sway control integrated all into one. We're going to show you how that works, proper setup, and so on.
How many times have you seen this? If you hook up your trailer and your truck's headlights are aimed at the treetops, something is wrong. When you couple a trailer to your tow vehicle, your rear axle automatically acts like a teeter-totter. The back of the tow vehicle drops down and the front raises. Less weight is resting on the front axle and steering wheels. This can be a dangerous situation, especially during an emergency maneuver. A good weight distribution hitch, like the Equalizer, changes the way the tow vehicle and trailer couple together. It creates something like a bridge between the tow vehicle and trailer, helping them act like one unit instead of two.
Okay, now we're going to go over what makes the Equalizer system a 4-point sway control. Basically, we have one friction point here once all the weight is lowered onto this bracket, and we have a friction point here also. And then it's doubled on the other side. That's where they get their 4-point sway control system. These bars also act as your weight distribution. You'll see that more once we have this all disconnected, and I'll show you how it's actually distributing that weight. So what we need to do is we're going to extend this jack. We want to raise this point up high to get all the weight off these bars, make it a little easier to disconnect. Now that we have the weight off the bars, we can take the retaining pin out. And usually what you can do with this Equalizer system, as you can see, all the weight's off, is you grab the bar and pull. And you can see this is a little stiff. This is what I was mentioning about that friction sway point. That's why it's supposed to be stiff like that. You can swing this right out of the way. You can do the same on the other side. Once you get the bars unhooked, we're going to lower the jack back down and disconnect the coupler. Once the coupler is disconnected, you get your chains, everything off. You can pull the vehicle forward, take the bars out by pulling this pin, and you can stow everything away. Okay, now we're going to go over how to properly hook your RV to your tow vehicle. It's just as simple as it was to disconnect. First, we want to take our weight distribution bar. We're going to slide it into the head or ball mount, which is also slid into the receiver of your tow vehicle. This is the weight distribution bar. This is what's going to act as your bridge to suspend the tongue weight of the trailer throughout the whole frame of the tow vehicle. So you have equal pressure front and rear axles, okay? Obviously for steering, traction, and so on. So what we're going to do is bring this over. We do have a bar that kind of helps you put this up into place. Hook in like so, and then snap the bar up. Sometimes you have to push it in just a little bit to get your retainer in, like so. Another way you can do it is just like I had it disconnected. You can raise the tongue and the back of the truck up, or you could actually just push this on by hand. Once we have both sides hooked up, we hook our safety chains, inner lighting, the emergency breakaway cable. We can go ahead and raise the tongue jack, and you're all set, ready to go. If you have any questions about purchasing and having installed the Equalizer 4-point sway control system, please feel free to give us a call at 888-436-7578 or visit our website at www.generalrv.com or visit any of our 10 RV superstores nationwide. My name is Matt Otterbein. Happy camping and safe travels.